Hello, good morning students. You are most welcome to class 9th and 10th combined class. I am taking 9th and 10th writing session. We will take today diary entry. See the spelling diary entry. Most of you commit the error. Diary. You write it diary. D-A-I. It's not dairy. D-A-I-R-Y. No. D-I-A-R. Diary. So first come to objectives. It comes in your literature section as well as in writing section. Objectives. Note down. To use an appropriate style and format to write a diary entry to express personal reactions to the situations places visited, to use appropriate and grammatically correct language See, I am repeating. What is the objectives of diary entry? So, what is the mark? 80 marks. This type of question, there is 80 marks. To use an appropriate style and format to write a diary entry to express personal reactions to the situations or places visited. For example, you recently visited this hill station Simla, so you have to write a diary page. To use appropriate and grammatically correct, see important, appropriate and grammatically correct language in keeping with the situation. Writing a diary entry, it is seen that a diary is a kind of a very personal document which portrays the personality and individuality of the writer. It contains some very personal feelings and opinions of the diary writer about various aspects. Students write their diaries to give vent to their feelings or reactions which they find hard to express orally. That way, diary entries are or can be the expression of helplessness of the writers, or they can be specific containing the personal stand of them. But in any case, they define the personality of the writer in a holistic manner. Since diary entries are confined to diaries, they have to have the format of a diary. Hence, they must conform to the format of a diary page. A conventional diary page has the date, day of writing that diary page, and also that time of writing. Generally, it is written night time before going to bed. And the left side is written date, day. Right side, time. In many cases, the diagram of the full month which this page refers to is given at the end of it. But it is just to facilitate the writer to have all the dates of the month in his glance. While writing a diary page, students need to create such a page in their answer sheets like the following. Let us come to the format. So, today is Tuesday, 21st April 2020. In real life, that everything is written, printed. But in examination, the students should write it. Tuesday, and that not below right side. Time, let us say 10:15 p.m. So night time it is written here. The time at which the diary entry is made is also given at the right side of the page. This is usually given to give a hint that diary entries are mostly made before going to bed and in isolation, because it is a personal diary. Even your parents should not go through your diary. Completely personal. A specimen of a diary entry is given below. Just we will discuss about that. So writing, you have to keep the following points while writing a diary page. Number 1. First read the question. First read the question. Read the question given for writing a diary. You should understand the question. Read the question time and again. Point 2. Think. What are the points? What are the points to make a suitable and most appropriate answer together all these at the mental level. Point number 3, better you make one page as a rough work. Build up a short chronological order of the answer in your mind. Point number 4, start writing in that order using grammatically correct language. Number 5, focus on what is demanded in a precise manner. Then it must be written in past tense in 3 paragraphs. It must be written in one page, because in real life situation you come across the diaries, they are written in one page. Next, it must be kept in a box. Don't write your name at the end. If you keep the following points in your mind while writing a diary page, I think you will secure full mark, provided your handwriting and it is written free from any error. So this is the format: day, date, right side corner, time. First read the question given for writing a diary. Think what are the points to make a suitable and the most appropriate answer to gather all these at the mental level. Better like a rough work. One page you can utilize, write rough. Build up a short chronological order. It happens sequence wise of your answer in your mind. Start writing in that order using grammatically correct language. Focus on what is demanded in a precise manner. Demanded by the question setter. It must be written in past tense. Because diary page means the incident is already over. That's why past tense. In 3 paragraphs: introduction, middle, and conclusion. It must be written in past tense and in 3 paragraphs. It must be written in one page. It must be kept in a box. Don't write your name at the end and don't cross the word limit. Number 10. Don't cross the word limit. I have seen many students write also saying that in the something commercial guide said it is mind your diary. So it is not personified. You are not writing a letter to anybody. Just you are going to express your personal feelings to the incident given in the question paper. So, my dear diary, how are you? And yours faithfully, good night, thank you, your name. Because it is your diary, you are the writer. On the cover page, you have written your name only. It is not required to write your name every page or every day. It's wrong, because whatever I am telling, I have gone through the CBSE textbooks. Because the examination is conducted by CBSE board, and CBSE that we have there in the main course book, sample is given. This is the format, and also in the literature format is given: Tuesday, date, day, time, no salutation, no name, only this much. If